Scrolling through my cell phone for the 20th time today, reading the text you sent me again. Don't memorize it anyway. It was an afternoon in December when it reminded you of the day when we bumped into each other, but you didn't say hi 'cause I looked away. And maybe that was the biggest mistake in my life. And baby, I haven't moved on since that night, 'cause it's 12:51 that I know my feelings were gone. But I'm lying on my bed, thinking of you again, and the moon shines so bright that